In this video, I'm going to overview iOS 7. iOS 7 is the brand new mobile OS for your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. Now I'm going to start off right now by saying that the iOS 7 OS is only compatible with iPhone 4s and above, and iPad 2s and above, and the regular iPad mini, and the 5th generation iPod Touch and above. For somehow, it's not available for the 4th gen iPod Touch, even though the iPhone 4 basically has the same hardware. So because I have an iPhone 4, I can still luckily use iOS 7 and do videos on it. So one thing that you'll notice the most when you get iOS 7 is that it has a brand new design, sort of like Windows Phone, but it's not really that. I've got a really squeaky chair, but you've still got the interface that you're still used to. It's just been flattened out a lot. So it might look a bit like the Yahoo weather apps, which look quite nice. So they've added a brand new thing called Control Center, which basically will let you quickly toggle your Bluetooth, airplane mode, brightness and stuff like that. You can also do AirPlay, and there will be screenshots of this on the screen. And basically this is one of the most requested features from jailbreak tweaks. And most of the stuff comes from jailbreak tweaks in iOS 7. So that's a new feature. There's also a brand new notification center which lets you sort things better. So you can have notifications for today, all your notifications and missed notifications. And it will also tell you the weather in a really nice interface. There's also multitasking that used to be on WebOS, so that will remind you a lot of that. There's also a brand new iTunes Radio where you can choose a song and it will make a whole playlist based off that. And it is ad supported, but if you have iTunes Match, then you can have it ad free. There's also a Photos app which lets you support with Moments. And basically Moments is when you're at a place, it will organise all the photos from that place into a collection. So you don't just have an endless list of photos and you don't know where they're taken. You'll actually know something about them, so they're just not there for no reason. There's also AirDrop now on iOS, so you can send files and photos and contacts. I think you can send contacts anyway across between devices, so that's pretty cool. It might work with the Macs, but I'm not quite sure. There's also a brand new camera app with a really simplified interface. There's a video mode, photo mode and a square mode. Now the camera app now has a load of filters as well, so it's turned into a bit of an Instagram app. There's also a brand new Safari app with centered URLs and better buttons, I guess. Now this whole theme has gone globally around iOS, so you can see that. There's also a brand new Siri interface, which is a lot cleaner. There's also Mail, looks a bit like Mailbox, but not that much. There's also a weather app that looks a lot like Yahoo Weather. I think it is actually Yahoo Weather, but it's got some pretty cool gestures and it's a really nice interface, so I can't complain. There's also a messages app and you can send messages as before. Now there's also some gestures in iOS, so you can swipe from the left to the right to go back, and you can also swipe the other way to go forwards, I think, and that works in most of the stock apps to go backwards and forwards. So the design aspects are the flat icons. It is very simple interface, and it's not very complicated. It still looks nice, but it's not too flat. There's also brand new tabs in Safari, I forgot to mention that, where you can have unlimited tabs. There's also a better phone app, slide to answer, and that's about it. Also, I think this works. If you tilt the screen on your phone, the wallpaper in the background will tilt and the icons will stay the same, so it looks a bit 3D. So that's pretty cool. And so I look forward to using this in the future. And thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Please like and comment and subscribe.